Alright, we're working on a Jeep Cherokee today, passenger front fender. You can see the dent right there in the fender, 3-4 inches. Get a good reflection off of this wall here. So yeah, method of repair, standard for most fenders that we fix. Remove the black liner underneath here, get access to the backside, push the dent out from the inside out. I'll show you guys what tools I use on this one as well. Alright, so first thing I did is actually do a few glue pulls on this lower edge right here. I could have pushed, but I kind of wanted to see what the glue pulling would do. It kind of chopped it up a little bit, which is not an ideal situation, but I mean, I can definitely fix it, but I'd rather it be more smooth. But the reason we start here is that's where all the pressure is held. You can still see there's some spots in there that are low, but now when you look at the top, this is all just really soft, and there's a big, what we call crown or high spot. So the two areas we're gonna work on is we're gonna tap that down, and then obviously we'll fix all this waviness here, and then we'll get on this very edge and just push the rest out there. And I'll give you guys an after video as well. Okay, it's getting kind of hard to see, but spent a few more minutes on it here and tapped a lot of that crown down up there. You can see maybe a little bit right there, some low area still, and you can see I kind of cleaned it up down here. So now we just got to go in there and finish up mostly pushing from the backside, probably a little bit more tapping too, but you can see how much harder it is to see. Right there, you can see the little low still. So there's some pressure hidden somewhere up in this area with all these crowns and stuff. Tools I'm using, when I say glue pulling, I'm talking about these guys right here. Started by glue pulling tabs to the car, like so, and pulling on it with this little guy. It's called a slide hammer. Put the tab on the car, and then you can pull on it. And then mostly using this rod here, double bend rod with a big round ball on the top of it. And my tappers are in here somewhere, right there. And then I'll switch to this soon. And then for finishing up work, will be this little guy. I will show you the final product. It's gonna be kind of a long YouTube video, so hopefully you guys are interested in learning how it all happens. All right, I am here with the Cherokee. I just finished the dent right behind me there. This one I did a little longer video. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of like step-by-step process of how we repair the dent. There's no plungers, there's no tricks or anything like that. We use our tools. We get them on the back side of the panel to push them out. Sometimes we need a glue pull. A lot of times we add additional tapping in there as well to manipulate the metal, not only from the back side of the panel, but from the outside as well. So I'll flip the camera around here and show you guys the final product, but thank you for watching. All right, with the Cherokee here, you can see the final product. We'll go back and forth a few times here. All accessed from underneath the fender. Came out great. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.